Let's talk about something a lot of e-commerce sellers overlook: cyber threats. Whether you're selling handmade goods, digital products, or drop shipping, if you collect customer data like emails, payment info, or shipping addresses, you're a potential target for hackers. And here's the scary part: cyber attacks don't just happen to big companies. In fact, small online businesses are often easier targets because they have fewer security resources in place. A single data breach can cost thousands of dollars in damages, not to mention the legal fallout if sensitive customer info is exposed. That's why I want to put you onto something that can seriously save your business: cyber liability insurance from Next. They built a policy option specifically for e-commerce business owners like you, and it's designed to help cover expenses related to hacks, data leaks, ransomware, and even lawsuits tied to cyber incidents. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech expert to set it up. When you go build your policy on Next website, just check the box for cyber liability coverage. It's quick, straightforward, and takes less than 2 minutes to add. Once it's included in your plan, you get an extra layer of protection that most online sellers forget to set up until it's too late. If you're serious about protecting your e-commerce store from cyber risk, especially as your sales and customer base grow, click the link in my description to check out Next Insurance. Get a free quote and see how easy it is to get covered today.